welcome back to my channel, and welcome if this is your first time. Welcome to my channel and welcome to this video, and thank you for actually taking your time out of your day to come and check this video out. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts and my final opinions, how I feel about this unit that I have right here on my head. Now this is Kitana, girl. This is Kitana, and I have her in the color number 1. Now Kitana, girl, she comes in many other different colors. So she comes in this beautiful natural color for all my natural girls, and then it also come with many other fun colors that many of y'all can choose from. Yeah, but I did not glue the sides down of this unit, y'all. I did not glue the sides down. So I just want to kind of show you guys, but I do have other wig reviews to do after this one, so that was the reason why, y'all, I did not glue this unit down. But you guys can glue this wig down if you want. You can glue this down. I actually would recommend you guys to glue this wig down, only because, like, if you do this, you know, I just feel like it needs to be laid down, okay? Because we don't want to be out looking crazy. Now this unit is really cute for the most part, for beginner friendly and for a quick and go, like a quick run and go type wig. But it's not like one of those wigs like, oh my god, sis, I gotta have that wig. No, it's just a fun picture, fun color type throw and go wig. But at the end of the day, you can still slay in this wig. Don't get twisted, y'all. You can still slay in this wig, but I don't really think it's one of those wigs where you have to have it. Add the powder, and I did pluck my part right here just a little bit. It wasn't like too much or anything like that, y'all, but it wasn't a lot, okay? But I did show you guys how much hair did come out after I plucked this unit out. I also do believe that this unit is very, very affordable, y'all. And whenever I do shop for a wig, what I usually do is I go on Google and I just search for the wig that I want to buy, and then whoever got the cheapest shipping, I buy that wig. And whoever got a discount code, I buy that wig. I buy that wig from that company. Now there are a few companies that I do not shop at. So Kitana, this unit runs at between about $23 to $25, and that does not include shipping, y'all. But yeah, and I do believe that if you do decide to get this unit in a fun color, then I do believe that some wig companies actually charge you a couple dollars more, like $2, $3, $4 more. So right here it says that with wigtypes.com, if you want to purchase out your Kitana in a fun color, like say for example, if you guys want to buy this unit in a DR 2730, then they do charge you an extra. Hopefully you guys can see that, y'all. So when it comes to this unit, y'all, I think that this unit is a really, really beginner friendly wig. But I don't really think that this is like one of those wigs that you like have to grab, not, you know, like, because you know how in the wig community that if there is a banging wig coming out that everybody have to have in their wig collection, and this one is not one of them. Another thing that I kind of want to say about this unit is that, like, well, that's with any wig, but right now my hair under my wig cap is not like tamed down, braided down there like that, y'all. So keep that in mind, that with this unit, y'all are gonna have to lay your hair flat, okay? Now I did put some heat onto this unit as much as I can, just so you guys can get a feel for this unit, get a feel for the vibe of this unit, and see, you know, what kind of look we're going with this unit. So I did not glue it down. But yeah, I really do think this unit is a really cute unit. I really do like the wave pattern in this unit, and I do get some tangling, y'all, at the ends of this unit. I get some tangling. It's not like a bad tangling, but it's there, you know what I'm saying, girl? It's tangling, okay? It's not a bad tangle, but it's tangling. Know that she was tangling. So yes, I do believe that this unit is beginner friendly, and it's an easy wig to style. And I also feel like this unit is very, very affordable. So if you do like the curl pattern, I do believe that you probably should get this unit in more fun colors, because I really do think that this unit is really, really cute. When it comes to this unit, I don't have too many bad things to say about this unit besides the bad things that I said, which was it starts to tangle at the end, but it's not like overly, you know, tangling. It doesn't like it overly tangling, you know what I'm saying? And make sure your braids are laid very flat under your wig cap, and you'll be good to go. And use some heat at the top and you'll be good to go. It might have been Isla or Idina, but one of those wigs, this wig actually kind of reminds me of that same exact curl pattern actually. And that unit was actually in a burgundy color, but this unit kind of reminds me, with this curl pattern, it kind of reminds me of that curl pattern, if I'm not mistaken, y'all. She's not like too bad, so I would actually put this unit in my wig collection because she's really cute. Kind of felt like this unit like shifts a lot. Like if you wear wigs a lot, this unit will actually like move all over the place. So that's another reason why I would suggest for you guys to glue this wig down specifically, because this wig would just be, you know, shifting all over the place, and we don't want that. So that is pretty much all that I have to say about this unit, y'all. Let me know what color y'all gonna buy. What color unit would you buy? And if you guys have any wigs that you would like for me to review, then just request it down below in the comment section, or you guys can just email me. I am probably gonna go ahead and dip up out of here. I gotta get my kids. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, y'all. It was truly and truly appreciated. I think I should do another giveaway. What y'all think? Y'all think I should do another wig giveaway? Because I know that it's time for another wig giveaway. But what y'all, like, y'all need to let me know something. So I'll catch you guys in the next wig review. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to comment this video. And don't forget to share this video. Because when you guys share this video like that, my video gets recommended, y'all. So I need more women to see these wig reviews, and I'll see you ladies in my next video. Bye.